We just saw how we can do spec-driven development, the hybrid style. But now, since there is a popular demand and you all asked me for making a video on Spec Kit, so on popular demand, I am coming with a two-part video on Spec Kit wherein I will teach you how you can use Spec Kit in your code. So let's dive straight in. Okay, welcome back. In the masterclass, we ran the whole SDD engine by hand. One agent file, hybrid specs, phases, and I told you back then there are frameworks that package that same discipline. Today, we stop describing one and actually install it. GitHub's Spec Kit wired into Claude Code. Hey, by the way, I have also attached the source code of my WorkshopHub project. You all can follow the link in any of my videos descriptions. You will find it at the footer, and you can go there and download the zip file or clone the repository and start using it. And if you go into the GitHub, you will find a readme.md page. In that, it's very clearly described how you can install it in your local. It doesn't matter if you have a Mac operating system, a Windows operating system, or a Linux operating system. I have explained how it can be installed on all the three platforms. So click on the GitHub link and start learning by seeing. Now you have the source code as well. Just start up the server and navigate through the website, and this way you would be able to follow and understand my lectures and units that much more better. Okay, let's move on with Spec Kit. So what is Spec Kit? It's GitHub's open source SDD toolkit. You describe a feature and it drives spec, plan, tasks, and implementation as version file in your repository. The spec sits next to your code and gets reviewed like code. And it's agent agnostic. The same commands work with Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Gemini, 30 plus agents, which means your specs travel even if your agent changes next year. How do you install it? Well, installation is 2 lines. Spec Kit ships as a small Python CLI command line interface, Specify. Install it once with UV, then inside your project, spec init, hyphen here means this folder, integration, hyphen integration Claude, wires it into Claude Code, okay? Now, that one command scaffolds a .specify folder, templates, helper scripts, and a memory folder holding your constitution. And when you next open Claude Code, a whole family of new / commands is sitting in the menu. Okay, 2 rule files. Careful. Now you have 2 rule files. Here's the split I use. CLAUDE.md is descriptive. This is how the project is laid out. This is how you run the tests. Okay? Check it out. The constitution is prescriptive. The non-negotiables every feature must obey. Description versus law. Keep both, just don't duplicate between them. Let's do a command tour. Okay, now the command tour. And you already know the shape from the masterclass. SpecKit.constitution writes the law. SpecKit.specify turns plain English into a structured spec. SpecKit.plan maps that spec onto your stack. SpecKit.tasks breaks the plan into an ordered checklist. And SpecKit.implement executes it. Specification, planning, tasks, implementation. The same 4 beats now as commands. Plus 3 helpers I genuinely rate. Clarify, hunts ambiguities before they reach the analyze, cross-check spec against plan against tasks. And checklist generates a review list you can hand to a human. That's the toolbox on the bench. Next video, we run the full loop on WorkshopHub, a brand new equipment reservation feature, from one English sentence to working Laravel code. See you there.